Accept. A young convonyana.
Shit ain't been easy, but I got high hopes. High hopes.
Okay. Vandaag, let's have a yep session about Spova.
I beat on her wall, she skied on me. She kissing my balls, speedy in a bit. Top of the law, BB on my neck. I shine in the dark, easy to slip. Don't want you to fall, walking with a drip. They got a ball. Straight up, I got acrobat. Fucked up a few times, like I came. That boy said my name, I went got me some strange. You know I don't crash, I just stay in my lane.
Kicks. Uh, Nowadays we call it Spova, but these things, Ekasi, Amati. And as bros, we know how crucial that game is. It's not a facade. It's not a facade. So when it comes to Amate, Spova, Ekasi, every bro wants to shine in a kick. You can drip however, but if the kick is off, the whole trip is off. So if you don't know how to drip, the kicks be off too. So I want us to talk about a kick called the kick like Max Sunder. The kick was last released 1999 and it came back. I think I first saw it it was 2023 or 2024 there. That was the first time I saw the Nike MX Sunder. And another search says there was a collaboration that was released in 2021, but it was a limited edition. Eventually, and I found out now that the cake was last released 1999. Crazy, crazy. So I have a bruise. Well, let me tell you about my circle. Kick game. Spova. Twice. Togoza. If you want to see more of Spova, stay October 18. Mlaba. Mlaba rings. Fezo Mlaba. And the whole of extension 2. Togoza. Hey, Spova that side. I ain't joking. Hey, wena Ndlali. I ain't joking. That is how I was introduced to Spova. That's how that's the first time I saw a Nike MX Sunder with the bruise when it was last released in maybe it was 2023 or 2024 I'm not well, but I first saw it with Fezo and Luando. So they had the same color, which is pink, and that combo was crazy, dog. That combo was crazy. I remember the first status October posted was we had to do it first. And then Shooty, I was obsessed with it from then. Since then, I was obsessed with Sonda. Like, when am I gonna get this cake? Jesus Christ, this thing is crazy. When am I gonna get it? Ah, the coins were lacking back then, though. Lacking. And there still are, but we are trying, man. We are trying. One thing about life, you are not supposed to be on the same level. You gotta go out, dog. So I saw the kick. I fell in love with the kick, but the coins weren't there. Sadness. You know the pain of searching a thing and seeing the price fluctuate. You don't have any coins. So I fell in love with the kick, and I think the first time they wore that combo, I think they were going to that Henneken concert where there was Ghana. So they met they met Amategi Two Shoes there, crazy nigga again. So time flew, man. Time flew. We continue wandering, and last month I ended up getting a chance to get the cake. This is crazy. Here's my baby right here. It's a different color. Uh, One thing about Sonda, it's like the first colors that were uh, re, re-released. It was green, pink, and the orangish, the sunset orange. Yeah. So now it's 2026. Last year it started releasing new colors, new designs. So, yep. So I fucked with this one, which has a black sole. It is most known for a white sole here, but I thought to myself I should get the black sole first because the dirt on the white sole. Well, they would just look bigger part. Yeah. So here's this thing, guys. Sonda. Most likely we wear them on Sunday. Sonda on Sunday. And sometime it's like a week back, I put it in on sand. It was like Sonda in sand. That's not funny, I know, but this thing is crazy, dudes. This thing is crazy. You never go wrong with this thing. This thing was released for athletes, dog. Athletes, and that picture shows me a baseball athlete. This cool thing, this cool thing. You gotta be shitting me. So this this white texture here at night, crazy. I'll show you. Uh, the back, crazy. Side view, crazy. Swoosh, crazy. Front, zip. Nishama zip, tina siya zipa. Hey, lalela. Zip. You unzip laces. Crazy. 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 So this thing is so comfortable, dog. You won't go wrong with this. But nina ni addicted to a shocks. I'm not saying shocks is bad or is ugly, but basically, me personally, it's a dope kick. It's very dope. It's very dope. I don't wanna lie. It's very dope, but I don't fuck with it personally. I fuck with this. This here is the shit. This here is different. If you fuck with something different, here's your thing right here. You won't be walking and seeing everyone wearing this. Not many people know about this. God damn it. So, actually, about this code right here, the 6453 code, this is Nike in numbers. I found out the explanation of this on some TikTok. This 6453 is Nike in numbers. Why I'm saying that? It's because the small phone, the buttons. If you check number six has an N, number 4 has an I, number 5 has a K, and number 3 has an E. Nike, crazy. Like the creativity is crazy. I won't lie. So uh, I have already unboxed this. I got it last month, and I even met with my bros, but through a painful occasion, which was the funeral. Continue resting, ma. Oh, my nigga is okay, bro. Yo, my nigga is posting every day about his mom. Dog. Hope you heal, man. But I met the bruise, and the bruise were out with these, and I wanted to leave it behind, thinking it's gonna rain, and I don't wanna get this in the rain. I ended up wearing it, my brother. My bruise. Don't see the video. Alalela. This thing is crazy. This thing is crazy. Spova, orientated, kick orientated. Have this in your collection. You won't regret it. So yeah, it's a dope kick. But I think I'll start doing Spova orientated content, starting with my bruise, obviously. My bruise. So it will be the review of kicks and things of that nature, and explaining how he got introduced into the kick and things of that nature. So yeah, stay tuned. This over thing is growing. It's not just a thing. So if you are not orientated, so if you're not orientated, you can start. You can start now or never. It is what it is, man.